Hello friends, my name is Somnath Mukhopadhyay and I am a Bachelor of Engineer in Electronics and Telecommunication. I did my BE from Bengal Engineering College in the year 1993, and this my college is now known as IIEST, and this is of course one of the premier institutes of India. After completing my graduation, I worked for almost 20 years in the corporate IT sector, and currently I train many students as well as professionals through my training institute called SOM IT Solutions. Among my students, there are many kid students in the age bracket of 8 to 14 years, and I'm proud to say that these kid students are learning very advanced topic of software, and they are doing very well in learning software. So today we are going to discuss about one of the intricate areas of Android. Probably learning Android concurrency framework, you have learned how to send a message from background thread to the UI thread. But today we are going to discuss about the opposite thing, that how to send a message from the UI thread to the background thread. Along with this, we learn also some of the other concurrent Java concurrency topics like countdown latch and the other function called run on UI thread method of activity. So let me give you a background. Whenever an Android application is created, a main thread of context is created, main thread of application is created, okay, and the whole application runs in the context of that main thread. This is also known as the UI thread because all the UI will get run in the context of this main thread or UI thread. Now there is a framework class called activity thread which is responsible for creating this thread. Now the activity thread does not only create the main thread or UI thread, but it also creates the handler and looper and message queue for that thread. So basically what happens whenever an application is created, the main thread UI thread is created, and because all the looper and message queue are being created, so the thread already becomes capable of handling or intercepting messages from sent from background thread to the UI thread. But here we want to do the opposite. We want to send the message from the UI thread to the background thread. So we will have to somehow make the background thread capable of intercepting messages, and that's the thing we are going to learn, how to make a background thread capable of intercepting messages sent from other threads. Okay, well, that other thread is here the UI thread, so we will send a message from the UI thread to the background thread, and we will try to understand how a background thread becomes capable of handling messages. What are the things we need to do, what are the steps we need to do to make a background thread capable of intercepting messages sent from other threads. Okay, so let's start. I have created an application called a training message to worker thread, as you can see from here, and then it's a simple application. There is nothing, no UI, nothing is there. So what I will do actually, let me create a background thread which I will make capable of handling UI application, capable of handling messages sent from the other thread. So let me create a new class called thread, and this is super class is of course this will be worker thread, and super class is of course thread. Okay, super class is of course thread java.lang. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we have created a thread called worker thread which basically extends the thread class. Okay, now what I will do, from the main activity, what I will do, I will create an instance of this thread. So worker thread is equal to new worker thread, and then what I need to do actually, I will create a countdown latch and countdown latch. Okay, so what is the countdown latch? This is the new concept that you are learning today. Countdown latch is a Java concurrency concurrency package concept, where basically it helps us to keep a thread wait for some other thread to start up, or to other thread to do some work. Okay, so what we are trying to do here actually, so in the main activity, whenever the main activity is whenever the application is launched, the onCreate function of the main activity will be called, right? So what we are trying to do in this onCreate function, we are creating a thread, background thread, and we are trying to send a message to the background thread. But it may happen that the UI thread is sending the message, and till that time the background thread is not ready to intercept the message, right? So what will happen? It will crash the project, right? It will crash the application. We'll try to see that later, but let's, for the time being, let's do the necessary action for that. So I am doing a countdown latch here, and I'm creating a countdown latch member variable here. So what I will do actually here, countdown latch is equal to new countdown latch, and then I will have a 1. Okay, I have a 1 count. Okay, it will have only 1 count. Okay, and then what I will do in this worker thread, I will pass this countdown latch. Okay, I will pass this countdown latch. Okay, and then so what I need to do actually here, probably what is asking here, to create the constructor of the worker thread. Okay, to create the constructor of the worker thread, so what it will need, countdown latch, and what I will do actually here, I will create a latch member variable, the countdown latch, and I will set this latch, so this dot latch is equal to latch. Okay, that's what I need to do. Okay, so now everybody is happy, so main activity is also happy, worker thread is done, right? To worker thread is equal to countdown latch, and this is, now it should be happy. Oh, I haven't created the worker thread member variable. Okay, so I will worker thread. Okay, so this is the, or let's name it just thread. Okay, let's name it just thread, thread, let's name it just thread. Okay, for easy use. So now what I will do actually, once the thread, I will start the thread, and then I will ask the UI thread to stop here. So what I need to do here, for that I will simply countdown latch dot await. So worker thread will stop here now. Okay, worker thread, what is that? I think we have to put it in a try catch block, and that's it. Okay, so I am asking the worker thread to stop here till the background thread actually starts properly. So now whenever the thread does start, we will call. Then let's finish the other parts of the worker thread. So what I will do actually, so I will do override, and then public void run, right? Run, public void run, and then this run will be called whenever we will start the thread. So inside that run, what we need to do, there are few steps we need to do. One thing, first of all, we need to call looper dot prepare. See, remember, these steps have to be done exactly this way, otherwise the background thread won't be able to intercept messages sent from the other threads. Okay, so looper.prepare, what the looper.prepare does, looper.prepare actually creates the creates the UI message queue and all these things, and then for this thread, and so that this thread will have a message queue to accept messages in that queue. Okay, then what we need to do actually here, so even before that we need to do handler message handler. Okay, we will have to create this handler class. We will have to create this handler class and handler member variable, so what we need to do, step 2, in the step 2, what we need to do, handler message handler is equal to new handler, and then what I will need to do, override. What it will override? It will override the public void handle and message, right? Handle message, and then what we will do, message msg, right? This is what the handle message will do. This is how the handler function will look like. Okay, so it will have a callback, call handle message. Whenever the message comes to this handler, it will call the handle message. Okay, now what we need to do, inside the handle message, what I will do, I will take the message from the UI thread. So UI thread needs to send the message. So this, up to this part is over, right? So from here, now what I will do, after the UI thread stops here, once the UI background thread comes alive, what it will do, it will create a message. So it will create a message, msg is equal to message dot obtain, maybe this will do, and then we will also have to send some data, right? So bundle message to worker, message data to worker thread, new bundle, we're creating a bundle. Okay, and then what we will do, message data to worker thread dot put character sequence. We'll put a character sequence, and we'll put a character sequence, we'll give it a name, data, just data, and then we'll give a value, say this is the message sent from the UI thread. Okay, this is the message sent from the UI thread. All right, so what is it? So what I need to do, actually, equals character. Okay, wrong second argument, so we will have new char new. So what I will do, actually, is there anything called put? No, we won't put char array, we will put say THAAD dot put char sequence. Okay, we'll put this thing, okay, sequence key is, say, the data, and then value is, this is the message sent from the UI thread. Okay, absolutely correct, right? And then what we need to do, we need to put this data piggyback, we will need to piggyback this data to this bundle message. So message dot set data, and then what do we need to do, message data to WorkerThread. Okay, all right, then we need to do, in the WorkerThread we have created a handler, so let's make it a static handler, and then in using this handler we will, so WorkerThread dot message handler dot send message, and then we'll send this message. Okay, we'll send this message. Okay, we'll send this message. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what we need to do, this this whenever this worker thread will receive this message, this part will be called, right? This part will be called. So in this part, handle message will be called, this handle message will be called. In this handle message, let me string str is equal to message dot get string get data message dot get data, and then what we need to do actually, this requires make it data, and what we need to do actually here, we need to put a data, right? Okay, so message, what is the get data is doing? So what is this doing? Message dot get data, it is returning a bundle, it is returning a get data, it is returning a data. So what it will do, so what we will do here, we will create a, probably we will create a string str is equal to message dot get data dot probably toString, and then we will give the key, that is the message. Okay, give the message, and there is no problem right here, there is no problem. So handle clear should be leaks. Okay, so what I will do, need to do actually here, there is some problem. So what I will do, I'll have bundle is equal to message dot get data, and then what I will do actually here, and then string str is equal to nd bundle dot get string get, and then we will have message. Okay, this is the key we have sent, right? This is the key, and then what I need to do actually, okay, so this is what the message I will get them, or maybe bundle dot probably get string. Is there anything like the get string? Yeah, straight away get string, and then we will have message. Okay, so there is no need for this. Okay, all right, so we have got the string. Now what we need to do, we need to show a toast message to the UI thread, that will show, will not need, will show a toast message that we have, the background thread has received the message, and this is the message. We will append something with that message, and we'll show in the toast. Now the next part, you have already learned countdown latch. So next part we will learn is the next function of activity, that's called run on UI thread. So what we will do here, so what actually I have to do here, actually, see, this is the trick of in Android. So I will have main activity and say main app. Okay, I will create a and we will have a static main activity, and then we will have main app equal to this, and then we will have a static main activity get main app, and we will simply return main app. Okay, so this is what we will take care here we will have, so main activity dot get main app dot run on UI thread. Okay, this run on UI thread, whenever we are doing it, new runnable, we have a new runnable, and this run on UI thread, so we are posting a message to the run on UI thread. So this message will go, because the toast is part of the UI, so we'll have to display the toast in the context of the UI thread, right? That's why I put this run on UI thread here. what I need to do here, yeah, I need to toast dot make text. What I will do here, I will do main activity dot get main app dot this dot main app main activity dot get, or maybe just I think get application context will do. Application did no. We will have to do main activity dot get main app. That will do, and then we will have a message called I have received. So we will have a string I have received the message this plus string. Okay, this is the message plus string. Okay, and then we will have the string plus string. So what I will do variable string is accessed from within the class needs to be declared final. So here it needs to be final. We will make it final. Okay, final string, and then there is no problem. And then what I will do, take the length. So okay, so important part you have learned that you will have to call the run on UI thread, because toast is a matter of UI, right? So we will have to run it. We will have to show it in the context. Why is this not giving static data? That get main activity. So we will have to access this count. What we need to do, we need to access this countdown latch, and we need to stop this countdown. We need to count down this countdown latch. Okay, so for that we need to access it. So why is this not giving here? So main activity dot get main app. So this was given here, but okay. So here let me have activity app is equal to activity dot get main app. Okay, we'll keep it like this, and then we will have here something like app dot countdown latch dot countdown. Okay, this will do. And then the next part is that we'll have to make this looper. So this is the step 3. This is the step 3. This is the step 3, and then we'll have to do it. Step 3 have to do is looper dot loop. Okay, and this once this is done, then the whole thread will start working. So looper.loop will make the thread run continuously in the background, and accessing messages, or rather intercepting messages that come to the message queue of that background thread. And the moment the message comes, it basically calls this handle message, and then the rest of the part is done by the we are saving a toast here on the run on UI thread, and then we are doing a countdown latch here. Okay, we are doing a app.countdown latch and dot countdown. Okay, so that's it. Let's run this application. Okay, let's run this application and let's see what happens. Okay, it's a simple app. So let me repeat it once again. We have learned something called countdown latch, and we have learned another method called run on UI thread. These are both are important parts of Android. Okay, so let me run this application. Let me see what happens. Okay, so So what I will do actually here, let me run this application. Okay, let me run this application, and then once this is running on, let me have this 7 square starting. Let me have this 7 square. Let me have this 7 square, and we will display the. So this is the phone. This is the phone that you were seeing. The application will run on this phone very soon. So let's wait for that. Okay, and the moment it was done, it will send a message to the UI thread, sorry, background thread, and which will be displayed, which will be displayed in the which will be displayed in the front as a toast. Okay, indexing, scanning file to index, installing APK, and that's it. So now simply let's see what happens. Okay, launching activity, and see I have received the message. I received the message, and then there is no message here. So I've sent a message, so everything is okay, but message key. So what the key you have used? Data, right? You have used the key called data, right? So here let me have this data. Now let me run it once again. So now probably you will get it. Okay, now you will get it. Okay, it will be running. So look at it. So what it will do. So see, I have received the message. This is the toast message that I have shown. So again I'm again running it. So see what I will do. It will simply display a message, and the moment it will display a message, so I'm stopping it, and then I'm running it. Okay, running it. So now what I will do, it will again display this message. See the message. I received the message. This is the message sent from the UI thread. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you have understood it, and hope you have enjoyed the training session. Bye.